In this part, we will design the blocks for the study area using the Sprinkler Irrigation method in the Model Maker or IrriMaker program as follows. We open the Model Maker or IrriMaker program. Then we open the map file of the study area with the coordinates titled Area with Coordinates with the MAL extension that was prepared in the previous part. So we go to the File menu, then Open All. Then in the project file, we choose the file titled Area with Coordinates.mal, then open. Then the contour map image for the study area appears with the X, Y, and Z coordinates. Then we remove the contour lines from the image by pressing on the contour display toggle above. Then we go to the menu bar on the left. Then we press on the irrigation menu. Then a new window titled Irrigation appears, and in it we go to the project menu, and in it we choose the units as we see. Then we go to the blocks menu, and in it we tick on the number, boundary, and shift. Then we specify the main block in the study area and divide it into blocks by pressing on the auto. Then a new window titled Calculations and Blocks appears, and in it we go to the Divide Blocks menu. Then we go to the Layout. Then we specify the spacing between the emitters and rows. Then we choose the emitter flow by pressing on the select. Then we tick on sprinkler and we choose the flow. Then we tick on project units, then OK. Then we press on the define area. Then we press on the define irregular area. Then we specify the field in the study area by making several clicks with moving. Then we return to the start point and we make a right click on it. Then we tick on use existing area. Then we press on accept define area. Then the information about the field appear in red color. Then for the available flow to area, we type 60 meter cube per hour. Then in the defined sub area, the proposed number of blocks appears, which is 6.42 or 6, and the block size. Then in the number of blocks we choose 6. Then we press on the divide in blocks. Then we press on the indicate 2 points. Then inside the field we press twice from the top to the bottom. Then the field is divided into 6 blocks as we see. Then we press on the yes. Then the information about these blocks appears as we see. Then we go to the general calculations menu, and in it we make the calculation about the irrigation details for the blocks in the study area by choosing specific values for the menus at the left. Then we preview the results at the right as we see. By that, we have finished dividing the field or the study area into blocks. Then we press on the close and we return to the irrigation window.